Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful real estate investing? In this video, we're going to explore how to invest in real estate with rental properties the right way in 2023 and beyond. I'll be offering valuable insights and tips for rental property investing, making sure that I set you on your path to building generational wealth and financial freedom today, which is why you're watching this video in the first place, right? So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Litt. I'm not just a realtor, I'm a passionate investor dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams using real estate investing, achieving financial freedom through real estate investing. As you delve into the world of real estate investing, it's crucial to recognize the potential for financial freedom through your investments. With the right strategies and knowledge, you can pave the way to economics, security, and independence. The appreciation game. Property appreciation is a powerful wealth building tool. By investing in areas with the potential for significant and even substantial appreciation, you can significantly increase your property's value over time. Not to mention, your guests or tenants are the ones paying down your mortgage and helping grow your property's equity. Leveraging other people's money. Real estate allows you to leverage other people's money, also called OPM, such as mortgages, seller financing, joint ventures, credit cards, you name it, other people's money, to purchase properties and invest. This can amplify your returns if done wisely. The key is to make more off of other people's money than it costs you to use it. Tax benefits. Real estate investing offers substantial tax benefits. Deductions, depreciation, and exemptions can effectively lower your tax liability and boost your overall profits. These advantages make real estate investing an appealing and financially rewarding option, allowing you to retain more of your earnings and reinvest in your property portfolio. Be sure to research 1031 exchange. It's one of the more popular tax strategies used to build wealth through real estate investing. I'm actually doing one now myself. Building generational wealth. Real estate investing has the potential to establish a strong foundation for generational wealth. By passing down properties to your heirs, you create a lasting legacy of financial security. Real estate can produce funds in multiple ways: rents received, sale of the property, cash out for refinancing, or even a home equity line of credit. This approach to building lasting wealth allows your family to benefit from the appreciation and income generated by these properties, ensuring a generous future for generations to come. If you would like to know more about real estate investing, rental property strategies, and investing in general, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me show you why real estate is lit. Once again, I'm Litt, your dedicated realtor and investment strategist. I'm here to educate and inspire, helping you achieve your dreams through real estate investing in the U.S. and abroad. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. Stay lit to the next vid.